Shiba Inu rallies thanks to this statement and hint from Shiba Inu CEO. Shiba Inu Coin is looking solid right now, moving very well after the Fed's interest rate decision, which will be discussed in this video. But I also want to focus on a lot of the things ShytoshiI has been doing lately, because we have even more progress when it comes to the Shibarium launch. Now, Shiba Inu is up nicely, testing some recent highs. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing the exact same thing. And it's all because of the Fed's interest rate decision, so we should focus on this being a fundamental move higher, based on the Fed news. And guys, look, I'm not going to try to get ahead of myself, but it could last if we continue on the same trajectory that we're currently on. Let's discuss it, and of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on Shiba Inu and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is the first time you are watching one of our videos, we send you a special welcome. We invite you to click the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are going to announce that this channel has a giveaway of 5 million Shiba Inu tokens. To have the chance to participate, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment with the hashtag Shiba Inu. The winner will be announced on February 15th. Shiba Inu price rallies 100% after historic lows versus Dogecoin. More upside possibilities? Technical Shiba price data hints at another possible 40% rally for Shiba Inu versus Dogecoin as Shibarium comes into focus. The strong rally came as investor focus shifted to the impending launch of Shibarium, a Shiba Inu-backed Layer 2 blockchain built on the Ethereum mainnet, announced on January 16th. As Cointelegraph reported, Shiba's price rally gained momentum amid reports that Shibarium will launch on February 14th. By comparison, Dogecoin's fundamentals look pale, with Elon Musk suspending a Dogecoin tipping bot for violating Twitter rules. But while Shiba Inu appears to be in a better position to outperform Dogecoin, both memecoins face headwinds against the dollar in February. For example, Dogecoin is at risk of a small correction against the dollar in the coming days as it paints a possible rising wedge pattern. Rising wedges are bearish reversal patterns, which show the price rising within two converging rising trend lines. They resolve after the price breaks below the lower trend line and falls as much as the maximum height of the wedge. Applying the scenario on Dogecoin's daily price chart takes its downside target to 0.085. 10% below current price levels. However, things are looking very bullish at the moment because the Federal Reserve is raising interest rates by 25 basis points. This is bullish because it meets market expectations. Yes, it is one of the lowest interest rate hikes there can be. That is bullish. The agency states several bullish factors in the sense that we could only see one or potentially two more interest rate increases during the year. Obviously, that's subject to change, but just one or two more would indicate that the Fed is at a level where they feel comfortable and sustainable in the current economy, that we may continue to see growth. Jerome Powell states that we're going to see a soft landing and we're not going to encounter a lot of layoffs, which is also a very optimistic statement. Well, while we may not see interest rate declines before the end of the year, the sustained level at 5% or 5.25 will not bring things down in Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, or Ethereum, as the cryptocurrency market in general and the stock market rallies. This is a very bullish signal, so it strengthens the Fed's confidence in the economy. A break through technical resistance levels. Guys, you're seeing one bullish signal after another. Now, just because we've seen several bullish signals doesn't mean we have to continue, but if it does, where's the downtrend? You know what I mean at that point. What we're seeing is a mental bearish blocker. We're not going to be able to go out and buy stocks right now because, well, I still think things are bad. But if you're moving with the market, things are looking really good, and the Shiba Inu coin is trading around 1,500 points per coin, which will be hard to beat. But I'm telling you right now, when you start seeing it at 1,800 or even 2,500 points per coin, and people start getting excited again, you're going to want to lower prices. I say that conservatively because I know nobody understands what's coming next for the Shiba Inu coin, and I know I don't want to get excited when it comes to buying Shiba Inu coins, but it works fast, and you don't want to be caught off guard the moment you have to buy it at 3,500 points per coin because he decided he needed even more confirmation. Things are looking bullish right now, the next bullish catalyst we could have, because we just made the interest rate decision that was bullish. The next one we could have is the potential announcement of the Shibarium launch. Really, I think these guys are sitting on the launch and waiting for some momentum. If they're doing that, they're waiting for some kind of bullish sentiment to overtake the market. Now, cryptocurrency prices have behaved phenomenally since early 2023. Everything is up. The stock market is overcoming resistance levels, and people are starting to move from that fearful stage to normal, or possibly soon to be the greedy stage. And once confidence starts to return, as soon as it filters down to the most cautious of investors, we are absolutely going to see a bull market rally. Whether the economy can sustain it or not, I don't know, but we are going to see the beginning of a bull market rally. So I'm excited about that. But let's look at some of the more recent developments from ShytoshiI and what it means for the launch of Shibarium. I understand if it's some kind of marketing ploy, but I think truth, clarity, and transparency goes a long way to annoying the man. It's like something you do in first grade when you're chasing a girl around a playground, like what's going on here. But we have to scoff. Nonetheless, ShytoshiI released a link to a website related to Shibarium documents, but there were no Shibarium documents. Simply said that this posting is to test the Twitter algorithm for this website in preparation for the launch of Shibarium, and then the link was removed and you no longer have access to this. Several people took screenshots, so of course we know it existed, but what algorithm would you like if ShytoshiI thinks it knows the Twitter algorithm? I really don't know if you can break it. I also don't know if there is an algorithm associated with linking a website to one of Shibarium documents on Twitter. I'm not exactly sure what they're trying to accomplish with this advancement or launch for Shibarium, but the Shiba Inu Coin ecosystem team is still extremely crypto. They love crypto, let's put it that way, because it flows perfectly with cryptocurrency. They love being cryptic, and that's what they're doing right now. It's considered continuing that crypto and somehow provoking us into launching Shibarium. I think all signs point to an attempt. I am waiting for the final announcement that the beta version of Shibarium is here. I want to know what you guys think when it comes to Shiba Inu currency. Let us know in the comments. Keep in mind that cryptocurrency prices change frequently, so by the time you watch this video, it may have changed to a completely new value. So we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video and don't forget to subscribe. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.